I am the all-seeing, all-powerful, all-knowledgeable inspector. Everybody comes to me for advice. They present me with their questions, and I will provide the answers. Well, sort of.
Oh no! Toto, where are we? Where are we? We're not in Kansas anymore. How am I going to make it through my inspection? Is my TMF ready? What am I going to do?
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road.
I know. I'm going to need a good plan, a TMF plan maybe. I need some metrics. I need a team. Who's going to help me? Where am I going to get all this information? Oh, Toto, what are we going to do? I'm so scared. What are we going to do, Toto?
Aha! The yellow brick road tells me all sorts of things about a TMF. When were the documents uploaded? Did they all go in the week before the inspection? Who accessed the documents? Should they have accessed the documents? When did they access the documents? Who made some changes? Should they be enabled to make changes? How did they make the changes?
What are you? You're looking a little stiff.
I'm a scarecrow. And I don't have a brain. I'm going to need to start using others' brains, like robots, to think critically and logically on how best manage TMF content, to predict documents required, to detect missing documents.
You're so right.
Right?
Yes.
Using new technology. Oh. When assessing TMF completeness, I need to know everything about the study, right? I get to the wizard to get some brain from him.
That's a great idea.
Right?
Yes. The wizard. Who is this
The wizard.
Aha! The biggest thing I see is a lack of documents in the TMF. All I want to know is the story of the study and be able to reconstruct it easily. I just can't understand why people can't work out what they need in a TMF and just put it in there. Just do it.
Just do it. Exactly. Oh my God. Oh. Look. She's all sparkly and glittery. You're so pretty.
Who is that?
What are you?
I'm the Tin Man, and I haven't got a heart. I'm also squeaky and inoperable. I also don't show my emotions, so you all might not realize this. But I'm also very frustrated. It takes way too long to process documents. I need artificial intelligence. No.
Artificial intelligence. What is that?
And I need better integrations
Yeah.
and automation. That would be nice.
Automation would help your stiff joints over there.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna find the wizard to teach me about these new innovations to help me run more smoothly.
Good idea. Let's go to the wizard.
Who is this wizard? Do you know who the wizard is?
Aha! So sometimes you think technology helps. Aha! So sometimes you think technology helps. But ETMFs don't always make my life easier. I like to see things paper style, folders, binders, page through the documents, put them on a table to compare. Okay, dream world. I want to find things easier, but I also want people to use the technology to make it easier for them to work in the systems and for us. How about virtual reality, where I can put on some glasses and find people all over the room?
Oh, what do you think, Toto? Oh my gosh, Toto, what is that? So scary.
need to follow a risk-based approach.
Scary.
ICH 6 tells me that.
What is
I'm
that?
so scared of that.
ICH R6E2 tells me that. I need to be brave enough to destroy the paper. Only after a certified copy has been made. The framework of destruction of paper will help me. It's released this week. Note to self, attend that presentation this afternoon.
Idea. Oh my goodness.
When do we start? Destroying paper.
I need to be brave enough to follow a risk-based approach for the quality review process. I can't check everything 100% all of the time.
Aha!
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Aha! I love a risk-based approach. In fact, if you do certified scanning and you don't throw it away, I'm going to ask you lots of difficult questions. Don't you trust your certified scanning process? And remember, you only need a certified scan if the original paper is not in either the sponsor or the investigator TMF, and you're destroying it. What about risk-based QC? Why do you have to check absolutely everything? I'm very happy if you actually take a risk.
Well, with a tin man and a lion who's a little cowardly but willing to take a risk, and a scarecrow, I think we have a great team. What do you think?
Yes.
Can we do it? Can we get through our inspection? Can our TMF be ready?
Yes.
I think so.
Let's
What do
do
you
it.
think, Joe?
You don't have to have me tell you
Are you
what to
sure?
do.
I don't think we can see you, Wizard. Could you
Oh,
keep
can
it
we
out
see
front?
Hiding.
Oh, there's the wizard.
Okay,
I'm only a person. You don't need me to tell you what to do. You can work it out yourself.
Ah, it's true.
It's true.
It's just a person. What are we gonna do now?
You know what? Tin Man and Lion and Scarecrow, even you, Mr. Wizard, or Mrs. Wizard, I'm not sure. I think we can find out more information. Does anybody know where? Toto, I think you know. There's no place like the TMF Summit. There's no place like the TMF Summit. That's the TMF Summit. Look, we're here. There's Scott. Hi, Scott. Hi, Joe.
And I have genuinely forgotten something. The clicker. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I think a round of applause